Oh, Jesus. Okay, good. All right, hello and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas.
Hello!
It's a full house today, so I figured today is probably the best time to open said things. So,
Mommy, what is it?
we're gonna open it in a minute. I gotta explain what it is. So, me and my best knitting friend Kalisha of the Quirky Monday Craftcast, we did a Advent friend swap for Advent calendars, and she also sent something a little bit extra.
Mommy,
so I figured, sure, baby. I figured I'd open the a little bit extra with the kids because there's something in here for the kids too. And I just want y'all to see. So the box says fragile. They don't care what's fragile in here, child. All right, here we go. I've been dying to open this. Literally had to wait for the kids to wake up. This is so cute. So they're wrapped in Grinch stuff. So this one says
a Grinch.
Okay, so Christmas crafts to do with the boys. All right, so here, there's one for you. You can open that one.
I want it. I do want it.
Put that right there.
Yeah.
So that's a part of my Advent calendar, so I'll put that right there. Any day surprise, open me whenever you want. Okay. Okay. Okay, here Ethan, you want to open this one? You want to open this one? You don't care? You don't care. Got it. Ooh, what is it, buddy?
Whoa!
Let me see. Give it here. Let's see what it is. Here, let's see. Alright, so... Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So this is what it is.
A snowman.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
It's okay. We're fine. We'll just put it
Mommy.
right there. Alright. Oh, that's fine right there anyway.
Open it, Mommy.
So it's like a, we put it together situation. So I think that's really cool. So we'll probably do that one day this week. And since Ethan didn't want to open his, let's open it.
What's that? Back cereal.
I don't think it's cereal. Oh, these are so sweet. So they can make like little, no, that's mommy's.
Like this one.
So you can make like cute little reindeer. Oh, there's little gingerbread man. This is so sweet, Kalisha. This is all cool. There's a little gingerbread house. Oh, I love it. I'm trying to make sure I know them back.
Mommy, I like it.
You like those?
I don't like them.
Okay, you want to do one today?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll do something today. All right, and this says when mommy needs quiet time. So, let's see.
What is it?
Also, Kalisha, your wrapping is impeccable. Like, this is insane.
No, that's my mommy's.
I have no idea what this is. No idea. All right, let's see.
Wow. Mommy, that a package?
Yeah, it's a package for mommy. That is my niece. Oh, cool. So it's like little face masks. Oh, they're little bath bombs. Oh, no, that's fire. Oh, I love this. Thank you. I love that.
Thank you.
Now, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is a cup. And it says for any day. But I really have to open this today. Because I think it's a cup. That is so... Oh, there's more in there. Look at this. Cafe Du Monde, I want to say. The original French fries. Oh, so I'm using this today, obviously. So it's a New Orleans mug. So nice. There's so much happening in the background. I'm really trying not to look. Let's see what this is. That's so sweet. Elephants are my favorite. And it's like a little elephant, like, I'll probably put some stitch markers in there or something. This is pretty. This is pretty. Okay. Make sure no nuts in here. Because you try to make people cry. Okay, Donis. Let me get the baby. Alright, this is baby Donnie, who we all know and love. Look at that guy right there. He's handsome, huh? Alright, so then we're going to open day 1 of the Advent calendar. So that was just like a tidbit. And then this is the Advent calendar. So, make sure my niece isn't. Okay.
Mommy, what is this? Another one? Promise?
So it says, hi Kira, I hope you like the Advent calendar I made for you. The full skein is in another box. Okay, yes, I got that. Alright, so stop. Alright, so I want to show you guys like how it came. So my friend Kalisha loves the Grinch. So the papers and stuff have the Grinch on them. Which is so cute.
Stop opening, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm finna open it. Hold on.
What?
I only have one hand. Oh, this is cool. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Okay, let me put this baby down. We're gonna come back. Okay, I'm back. So, I'm gonna leave it in the box because my son doesn't know what Advent means. He's already trying to open like day 17. Like, are you serious? So, first off, the detail. This is day 1. And like, she probably glued that on there. I'm saving these. I'm saving these. Alright, here we go. So this is day 1. It's like in person, it's like a silver fox looking situation. She says it's wool envy, but she doesn't know the colorway or base, which is fine. It's all gonna be put together. So that's nice. I love this. I think, okay, if I don't leave it in the box, then I'll probably put it under the Christmas tree because I think we're putting up our tree today. So lovely. I have no idea what I'm going to do with my Advent calendar. Literally the Advent calendars I've had, I've either given away or sold. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Nobody's getting this one. And we'll see what I do with it. So. I love this. Alright, so on today's agenda, I want to put up the Christmas tree. And then, after I put up the Christmas tree, I really want to get my shawl done. But in between there's going to be parenting, auntying, because I have babies today and stuff. So I guess just come along through the day and we'll see what we get into. Alright guys, so tree is up. I got some decorations. I'll probably pan over the decorations. They're not the best, but you know, whatever. I'm on the phone with my sister. I can't. So I received a beautiful package from Michaeli of Breaking Yarn, and she's from New Mexico, and she has a podcast here on YouTube. I will link it down below, and I'll also link her shop because she dyes yarn, hence the Breaking Yarn situation. So the yarn is inspired by the show Breaking Bad, and that is my husband's favorite show in the world. And even though I didn't watch the show, I just love Michaeli's colors. Michaeli's colors are absolutely stunning. So, oh my God, are you okay? This is why you don't film and talk on the phone at the same time. So I got 3 colorways, all of them becoming muscle burra hats. All right, so this is the one I got for myself. It is on her fingering weight 75-25 superwash merino and nylon, and this is the colorway Breaking Black. And this is her logo. Oh, I'm so glad I have some of this. And that's everywhere she is. Oh, I love this so much. So this one's for me. Iris, what you doing? Hey, don't be trying to wave me off. I'm trying to see what you're doing. All right, so this one's for my hat. So I got 3, so I'm going to make one for myself, one for my husband. This is the muscle burra, by the way. And then I'm gonna make one for my dad. Dad, don't watch that part. Well, okay, you can know. I'm gonna make you a hat for your birthday. Okay, so this is the color that I got for my dad, and it's called Walter White. My dad's a green guy, so I thought this deep green, it's deeper in person, but I like the way it's coming off on camera. So I'm gonna make him one. And then this is the color that my husband picked out, which is Gray Matter. So this is a nice tonal gray. I feel like tonals like grays and greens, they're fun to work with. And like purples. I just can't work with black. I just can't. So, thank you so much. I love it so much. Fingering weight is my jam. Michaeli is a super awesome person. Like, it's beyond like, oh, we found each other on, you know, the internets. I just think she's really cool. I love what she does. I think she's a great person. So this hat, this muscle burra for me is going to be like meaningful because it'll be friend related. So that is the package that I got today. And what we're going to do today is cake up. I can't cake up my Christmas sweater yet because my stitch markers are not here, but I'm going to cake up my hat because everything is here for my hat. So we'll probably do a little cake session. And then if I don't have anything else to talk about, then I'll probably be ending this day pretty soon. So yes, Iris. I don't know if I can have baby Iris on camera, so I'll have to ask an adult first. But she's beautiful, just know that, period. So yeah, so let's finish up in here and then cake some yarn. Okay guys, so to get through the drag, because the pattern itself is not a drag, but you know when you're to the point when you know you're almost done with a project and then like it's just like rows away, but it's like 500 stitches. That's where I am right now. So in between each row, I'm going to cake up my December yarns. So this is my next Musselburgh hat. And this is a Homespun House. This is January 2020, Expecto Patronum. And I'll show you the stitch markers I'm going to use because I do mine. I start off magic loop and then and then go into the 16-inch circular. So I got these progress keepers from Sucre Miniature that came with a couple of yarn and charm clubs. I'm trying to get out the frame. Alright, so there's that one, and that one's supposed to be a holiday cupcake because they're Harry Potter themed. And then there's this one. If I can get it together. Alright, it's like a Harry cupcake. So I was going to use this stitch marker, which is from Ubebe Beads, and it's Ursula. I was going to use this one, but I remembered because I'm using this yarn condom from Lila Styles, I completely forgot that Mulan is considered a Disney princess, which I asked my sister, how is that possible? And we're gonna have to do some research. But I have a Mulan stitch marker, so I'm gonna put the Mulan stitch marker on there. So I'm going to cake up this yarn right now, then knit 2 more rows, then come back and show you guys my sweater yarn, cake that up, then that should get me through those 2 rows, or how many other rows I have left, and then we should be binding off. So let's cake up some stuff. Yes. Okay, so I finished those 2 rows. So now we are going to cake up this, which is Legacy Fiber Arts, and the colorway Whoville. And Kalisha of the Quirky Monday Craft Cast is having a Grinch make along that started a little while ago, and I think it ends on the 14th or 15th or something like that. So because it's called Whoville, I can participate in that knit along, and I'll be making a Wave of Change jacket by Denise Baron. That's the only time I'm saying it right, y'all, if I'm being honest. But yeah, so I have 7 skeins of this. I figured I'd maybe do like 2 or 3, then finish up the shawl, and then I'll come back and do some more. So thank you for watching. I want to try to end every day in front of the Christmas tree. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys, because my camera's dying, so this is the end of the vlog. I probably need to get started editing anyway. So thank you for watching. I'm just going to continue my We Share needles, and yeah, just enjoy the evening. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.